Welcome back to our next IDDSI episode, or what do you want to call it? We're going to do the EC7, the SB6, the MM5, and the Puree eggs the right way. So I'm going to show you how to make them all. Very simple to make, very easy to make. Look down at the ingredients. What we have is white bread, our eggs, butter, and that's all we need, right? To make all three levels. Okay, so let's crack some eggs. We're going to take 6 eggs and we're going to scramble them. Okay, you can scramble by hand. That's old school.
Old school. That's new school, Mr. Cruz.
Immersion blender. Okay, we have immersion blenders for something. All done. Okay, no effort. Okay, gonna bring the butter. How much butter? Just a little stick.
It's little?
Just a little. Okay.
Do you have it on at all?
Front. Wow, you could be a sous chef by now. Wow.
Hey, thank you.
Just making sure that my stove is on. I know, I enjoy that.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, what happened? Brandon, ¿qué pasó? Shit, clean this shit.
Get up, Mort.
Do you want me to actually clean it or what?
I want you to actually clean. Look, I don't want to step on it. To be a good chef, you have to be a dictator. Okay? All right, so now we're going to add the eggs.
You ever just drank it before? I haven't heard you beep in a while. Is your sugar okay?
No, I ate that French toast we made earlier, and you wanted regular syrup. So now,
What?
if I slur my words,
You're just drunk?
that's my sugar stuff. We are done scrambling the eggs. As you can see, there is no brown spots because on the different diets it cannot be crust. Okay? So I'm gonna add it some here. So this will be our EC7. Guess what, Brandon?
What?
EC7 is easy to chew. So scrambled egg as it is easy to chew. Okay? Then we're gonna do, follow me here, take this away. And we're gonna do the MM5. Oh, wait a second. So you're just chopping the eggs a little bit more. Yeah, that's all it is. Okay?
That's
Yeah.
M5?
That's your SB6
Oh, this is
scrambled egg.
SB6. Oh, this is SB6.
Okay? See the difference?
Yeah, just a little
All right.
cut up.
Just cut up a little bit more,
Yeah.
correct? Now, if you want to do the MM5, the MM5 is cut up some more for show purposes. We're going to add it here, separate pieces, so you can see the levels, okay? See the little pieces?
Yeah.
Little pieces, okay? Guess what we're gonna do now, Brandon?
What?
The puree eggs.
What?
Ooh, what is a puree egg?
Ooh,
So we're gonna use our blender and we're gonna add the remaining eggs. Okay, here's when it becomes a little bit more technical. Because I can puree it, correct? Look. Doesn't really break down the correct way. So actually that right there, it could be an MM5. Let's try it, Brandon. Look.
oh yeah.
Mm-hmm. If you've been following us in other episodes, doing other types of food like the French toast and the chicken, so this qualifies as your MM5. Okay? But it does not qualify as puree. So let's do something. We're going to warm up some milk and butter. Okay. So you must be thinking, well, that looks pretty pretty loose, correct? If you are more liquid, it will not thicken. I got your thickening agent right here. We're gonna take white bread. We're gonna take the skin off. Remember when you were a kid, you want a peanut butter and jelly with no crust? There you go. Okay, no crust. So now, let's add the liquid. Take the top off. And let's add the bread little by little. Okay?
Yeah.
Smell like chicken, huh?
Yeah. What's that?
Where did the egg come from, Brandon? Not a turkey. Oh, wait. Feel
It's a little liquidy, yeah.
and grainy, correct? So let's finish the bread. That's 2. And then you have eggs and bread.
How's it looking now?
See that the blade is not grabbing into it? So it's getting better. Not 100% yet, but it will be pretty soon. I like the consistency. I just don't like it's still grainy. All right, Brandon, so I put it in low and I let it run. Should be done. It won't splash on you. It's all good. See how, that's what you're looking for. Sorry, I get so excited. So here you have the puree eggs, folks. And yes, it will thicken as it sits. Right now, it's not running away, it's just staying right the way it is. Yes. The only thickening that I used was the bread. Let's test it, see? Look at that. Shakalaka. So what we have here is puree scrambled eggs, EC7 scrambled eggs, SB6 scrambled eggs, MM5 scrambled egg. This one it was done by hand. This one was done on the blender, pulsating the blender. Is that it, folks? This is all you have. Look at that.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Bada bing, bada boom. And look, let's do the spoon test. Correct. Side, flick it. Done. That's what you're after. Okay. If you enjoyed our videos, please like and subscribe on the tab below. All right? Follow us and you will learn a lot more.